Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to connect the USB port into the factory USB connector from Hyundai or Kia, which has the same shape like this. Okay, so this is from Kia Sorento 2016-2019, but we believe this one can be used in many different Hyundai and Kia cars and some other as well, if you see this. So yep, we definitely can use our USB connector and get into that one. So how to do that? It has 4 pin, which standing for power and data. Okay, so now look at this. 4 pin mean 4 connector. Why? And red and black standing for power, 5-volt power. Red is positive 5-volt, black is negative 5-volt, and green and white, they are for the data cable. And in this case, you know, the green is positive and the white is negative data cable. So what is the order? Look at this. We start from the bottom and to the top, and you can see the bottom here, it has whatever it is, but just to get the shape. So here you go. Okay, from the bottom is this shape, and you can see the top one, it has the shape like this. Okay, so we start from here, bottom, and that bottom one doesn't have the tab on the top. Okay, so the top, we mean it has the pressing tab here. So the bottom pin will equivalent with the red one, and then keep going up is white, green and black. So let's put it in, and we slide the pin in. Before you slide the pin, make sure you get a little tape on the end of the pins, so it looks like this. Okay, it will stay very firm and connected. Okay, so red, white, green, and then top is black. Just push slightly and gently push, and all the way, and currently this one stay very firm. Okay, so all of them again, red, white, green and black. If you find out your USB cable has different wiring color code, you might need to measure it by the multivoltmeter or simply by the USB connector adapter, which you can see in our website as well. But in this case, you can have it in hands if in case you need it to do the work, and it will definitely work. And just get us, you know, electrical tape around here. In this case we use the cloth tape, and it will stay very nice and firm. So work done, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.